Well, they are usually the first ones to get to you when you are having an emergency. Fires, car wrecks, you name it. Firefighters are there and they never waver. They're always willing to put their lives on the line if it means saving someone else. And even at the height of the pandemic, when COVID was raging through North Texas, they were still there. And with all those hours they put in, they earned overtime. But as Matt Howerton reports, the city of Dallas is struggling to pay up.
In the worst of the pandemic,
and then this surge hit and it just exploded.
Dallas Fire Rescue didn't skip a beat.
We were 100% staffed through the whole thing.
And that's despite countless firefighters testing positive during the Omicron surge months ago.
Having 200 plus guys off every single day who had tested positive. You had guys who were volunteering to work overtime, and we were being mandated to work overtime also.
But months later, the Dallas Firefighters Association says members of DFR haven't been paid the overtime they're owed from December and January.
That the city of Dallas is jerking around its firefighters.
Before Omicron, before December of last year, the city of Dallas had this policy for firefighters. If you got sick with COVID, any overtime you accrued during a pay period would cancel out the sick leave you took to get better from the virus. But in December, that all went away. And if you got sick, your overtime wasn't touched. However,
they weren't being paid it.
DFFA President Jim McDade says for 2 months, the city operated payroll under the old policy instead of the new one. So if a member got sick, the overtime they worked was docked when it shouldn't have been. And remember, a lot of people got sick, came back to work, and filled in for others.
Hundreds of firefighters are affected, and it's definitely tens of thousands of dollars that's owed to us.
The city manager's office isn't denying the issue, saying the city is actively working to resolve issues related to calculation of overtime for some DFR members, and any outstanding overtime will be paid. But McDade says he's tired of waiting.
Not in another month or another 2 weeks or another 3 months. We need it now.
In Dallas, I'm Matt Howerton.